ChatGPT AI is making sure no one gets a glimpse of your chats by locking them behind a PIN code or fingerprint scan. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Based on hidden, not yet active code found in the latest version of ChatGPT for Android, there are references to locked chats and the ability to protect chats from prying eyes. The lines in the code read, lock a chat to keep its title and content out of view in your regular sidebar, history, and search results, which pretty much explains how the feature will end up working. ChatGPT already offers temporary chats for those conversations that are more personal and sensitive, and they're instantly forgotten when you close them, disappearing from your ChatGPT account. These locked chats appear to be a little more permanent. There remain some questions about how locked chats might interact with the memory and recall features of ChatGPT. It's possible that anything you say inside a locked chat would only be referenced by other locked chats if you have memory enabled, from embarrassing medical questions to queries about surprise gifts for family members to drafts of resignation letters for your boss. There are probably quite a few AI chats you want to make sure no one else ever sees. And while your phone or computer will already be well protected by pins, fingerprint scans, and facial recognition tech, sometimes you want an extra layer of security in place for some extra peace of mind. There's no indication of when this might go live in the app, and of course, OpenAI could change course and decide not to launch it after all. But it is something to look out for in your ChatGPT account in the coming weeks. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.